in the underhand weave, then you're gonna turn left when the right hand's on the bottom to the overhand weave. Then I want you to change your feet, and when the right's on top, turn left again to the underhand weave. And that would be a 360. And then when the left is on bottom, turn right to overhand weave, switch your feet, and then when the left is on top, turn right to underhand weave. Let's turn left again. When the right's on bottom, turn left to overhand weave, switch your feet. When the right's on top, turn left to underhand weave. Then when the left is on bottom, turn right to overhand weave, switch your feet. Then when the left is on top, turn to underhand weave. And repeating to the left, when the right's on bottom, turn left to overhand, switch your feet. Then when the right's on top, turn left to underhand. Then from underhand, when the left is on bottom, you're gonna turn to the right to overhand, and then switch your feet. And then when the left is on top, turn right to underhand. Once you get each of those transitions, right? So left turn, switch your feet, left turn again, right turn, switch your feet, right turn again. What you can start working on is turning as a continuous fluid motion. So if you start in underhand here, as I transition to overhand, I step my feet and I turn so I can come around in a full 360. Similarly, as my left hand is underneath, I turn to my right, step my feet again, and come into underhand. So here's the left turn, boom, 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 and the right turn, boom, 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 and the left turn, boom, 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 and the right turn, zoom, and the left, and the right. So starting from overhand, if I do the 2 turns, it's right step, right, then left step, left, then right step, right, left step, left, right step, left step. And what I'm calling out the hand that's on top. So when I'm saying right, it's when the right hand's on top and you turn to your left. And then when I'm saying left, it's when the left is on top, you're gonna turn to your right. When the right's on top, turn to your left. And when the left's on top, turn to your right. And when the right's on top, turn to your left. And when your left's on top, turn to your right. And the general rule for both of them is when the crossing hand does the first beat of 2, so in overhand, when it goes on top, when the crossing hand does it, that's when you turn in that direction that it crossed to. Right crossing to left, you turn left. Similarly, if you're in underhand, when the left crosses to the right, the first beat, when it goes underneath, you turn your 360. Or if you're turning the other way, when the right's on bottom, the first beat, you turn and do your 360. So the rule is when the hand is crossing to the side you want to turn to the first time, that's when you initiate the 360. It's when you initiate the 180 also, so it's the same point.